Hello, how's everyone doing? Everything's going good, going great. What I decided is to take in place containers to collect the drainage from the self-watering pots. As it comes out, as you see, it comes out of the pot or the bucket, and I'll drain it and see the color of it. It's like brown. It goes in clear, it comes out brown. So that means there's a lot of minerals coming from the drain off that the plants are not going to get. So what I'll do is I'll dump this into another container that I will hold to put it back in to the plants. Great idea. Some of the container buckets, it just dribbles out. If you can see that, it dribbles out. So I'm either going to have to put a straw or something else in so it does not block the holes, so it could drain properly, like these over here. Just looking at the other buckets, they dribble out, and as you can see, a trail of water, which is actually minerals that are escaping out of the bucket. Okay, as you can see, this is how much would actually drain off down onto the plastic, down and rest up right here, which I'll have to take that out and try to, well, it should be sucked up by this here. See how it goes there? It will be sucked up by the garlic and onion and lemon that I have in this pot here. So back to our drains over here. See, it stopped trickling out over here, but it's still coming out over here. You can see that it's still a lot at the top. So it's going to drain down, drain into the container, then I'll put it into another container because this one here is almost full. Okay, this is how much was accumulated from the runoff of the buckets. It is a full container. Let's see, that is about 52 fluid ounces, which is about 1.6 quart of runoff. It's brown. It's got the minerals that came from the water out of the buckets. And this is another, I guess say a third that came from there also. And there's still more running off, trickling out. So, to sum up, we are repurposing minerals that are usually runoff, that maybe dry up in the sun, but we will put this back either tonight or tomorrow or later on today, no matter how hot it gets. It depends on how hot it gets. And the rest of the garden seems it's doing quite well. Sunflowers ready to come in, and so is the big sunflower, ready to come up and show its goodness, so it'll attract. Actually planted all these sunflowers so it'll attract honeybees, and hopefully they'll like the area so much that they'll try to plant themselves here. Till next time.